This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Using a blunt flat-bladed tool, carefully prise the light unit surround from place. Undo the 3 torque screws and gently prise the light unit rearwards. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug as the unit is withdrawn. Rotate the relevant bulb holder anti-clockwise and pull it from the light unit. Depress and twist the appropriate bulb anti-clockwise to remove it from the bulb holder. Align the pins of the new bulb with the slots in the bulb holder. Then place the bulb into place and twist it clockwise. Note that most bulbs will only fit correctly in one position. Insert the bulb holder into the light unit, then twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Reconnect the wiring plug, then manoeuvre the light unit into position. Fit the retaining screws and tighten them securely. Position the surround and press it firmly into place.